I cannot believe I copped this sneaker for retail. This sneaker was very tough to get. This is a very limited sneaker, and resale has dropped tremendously. Let's open these up. Let's take a look at this sneaker. A lot of people are calling this sneaker Sneaker of the Year. I disagree. I'm not a huge fan of this sneaker. I like it. I think it's cool, but I don't think it's worth all the hype that it's getting. I think it's a little overrated in my opinion, but let's open it up. Let's take a look at the shoe and we'll talk about resale because resale has dropped. Let's take a look. Let's open these up, man. I can't believe I hit, guys. This is one crazy sneaker. I'm telling you. I can't believe I hit for these for retail. I'm shocked. I'm so shocked. Right on the website, manually on my phone? I'm shocked. And they did an amazing job. This release was awesome. Bots did not get through. They asked questions to even get through. And they also had a capture on top of it. Great release. This was one crazy release. I can't believe I hit on this sneaker. If you guys know what sneaker this is, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have a giveaway going on for the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1s. I'm giving away this pair, brand new, right here, size 8. All you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, give me a follow over on Instagram at DannyMoore2369, and then DM me proof that you did everything. I'll be picking a winner next week on May 11th. So, let's open these up. I can't believe it. They're here. Wow, I'm shocked. I am totally in disbelief. So, this box is weird, I'm seeing. We do have some type of weird packaging going on. So, let's open these up. We do have, okay, so the box is wrapped up. Nice box. It really did amazing packaging here. And we have some other type of packaging as well. It looks like this goes within that slide out. Wow, they really outdid themselves here with the packaging. Wow, I can't believe I copped. Look at this size, guys. I got my size. I hit on a size 11, 12.5 men. For retail, $200 retail price point. Women's Air Jordan 3 Retro SP white, medium gray is the official colorway. This packaging is really dope. Very nice. I love this packaging. Let's open these up. So you do take that out. Jumpman there. Very, very dope. Take a look. Woo, this paper. Very nice. So these right here, wow, are the Air Jordan 3. I might butcher this name. Manir. I've been practicing for this video. Air Jordan 3 Manir. These are crazy. Very, very nice. I do think having them in hand, they're nicer in hand than they are in pictures. I do still think, personally, overrated, overhyped. Nonetheless, it's still a clean shoe. It's still a very dope shoe. We'll talk about the resale in a little bit. Resale has dropped, but I do want to talk about the details on this sneaker because this sneaker is full of nice details. So right here we have the Air Jordan 3 Manir. Let's take a look at the details of this sneaker, then we'll talk about resale. The sneaker is made up of a white tumbled leather. As you guys can see, very, very nice, soft to the touch, high quality leather. Around the toe, they did switch it up. Usually we have that elephant print that we all know and love on the Air Jordan 3. This time around, they give us a gray suede, long-haired suede. It's soft, man. Very, very soft suede around the toe as well as the back of the sneaker. Usually we have the elephant print. You can see the midsole. We do have that aged looking midsole with the cream color as well as like a purple hue to it. Taking a look at the eyelets of the sneaker, they do come with white laces. These laces are not your normal Air Jordan 3 laces. They are a little bit thinner, more of like a waxed look to it. They're not waxed, but more like a waxed look, if that makes sense. And they're very, very prominent, very, very dope. And take a look around the laces. You can see you do have on the eyelets suede, and you do have the cream color as well. Take a look at the Jumpman. That Jumpman, man, very, very loud, very in your face in that silver gray color. Very, very dope. Taking a look at the back, you do have that beautiful Nike Air that we all know and love. And then on the other side, the same thing going on. On the inside, guys, they do have a quilted inner, which does remind me a lot of the Air Jordan 2 Just Dawn, the blue pair or the orange pair. They remind me a lot of that. Very high quality, very dope there, nice touch. And then you can see at the bottom, you do have the Jordan 3 outsole. This color on the midsole, and that's on the outsole, is very dope. I can't stress that enough. I want to show you guys very nice color. So this is a very dope sneaker, guys. These are dope. Now the other sneaker does have the A for Amar the logo right there. They do come with some hang tags. We do have the Amar hang tag as well as a Nike Air hang tag, which is very nice to see as well. Now that tag does say handle with care, quality goods handle with care, which I think is an interesting touch. They've used really good high quality materials on this sneaker. It deserves the retail price point of $200. Resale has plummeted. These were going for $700, $800. They've dropped tremendously to around $500, $600 depending on your size. Even guys, these prices are not that bad for how limited of a sneaker this was. This is a very hyped limited Air Jordan 3. The most expensive size is 11W, that 9.5 men. For some reason, it's like a few $100 more than any other size, but the cheapest has got to be that 8W at $335, so a 6.5. Not bad at all. My size 12.5 that I copped is $497. Guys, $500, not bad at all. Retail $200. These have dropped tremendously. Pick them up if you want to. I think now might be the time. You might be able to wait another week or two. I do think they'll eventually go up. This is a sneaker that is tough. You know, this is one of those sneakers that could do one of the following. It's tough. I don't know what it's gonna do. It could do one of the following. It can either A, skyrocket to the moon. This can be all of a sudden a $1,500, $2,000 sneaker, or this could plummet even more and go to $350, $400. Or they could just stay stagnant where they are at around that $5, depending on your size. A lot of things could happen with this sneaker. I'm not sure. This is a very tough sneaker. This is a very tough sneaker for me to honestly sit here and tell you guys what's going to happen, what I predict. I think they're going to stay stagnant. I'm not 100% like I sure, don't quote me on it. I think they'll stay stagnant at around $5 depending on your size, but they could skyrocket because of how limited they were. However, it being a women's sneaker probably is not going to help because women's sneakers just don't hit like men's sneakers do when it comes to the resale market. Guys, this sneaker was limited. It's dope. I think the details are there. They do have that beautiful Nike Air. This is a dope one, man. The Air name. This is a dope Air Jordan 3. Let me know if you guys were actually able to cop this sneaker down below in the comments. Let me know if this is a cop drop for you. If you're looking to pay that resale price, let me know down below in the comments. How much are you looking to pay for a pair? You can get them for around $5 in most sizes. So, very, very dope. They have dropped tremendously. Very high quality suede, high quality leather, and this is just a very high quality Air Jordan 3 that they did a very nice job on with details. Details when it comes to the Air Air Jordan 3. Let me know what you guys think about these. Also, let me know, hot take, is this sneaker of the year? In my opinion, no. I'm still going to go with trophy rooms, but if I'm gonna go with more of an accessible sneaker, I'm probably gonna go with University Blue Jordan 1s. I don't think it's gonna go with these, but these are very, very dope. These are clean nonetheless. Let me know what you guys think about them down below in the comments. More family, be sure to enter in the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1 giveaway. Be sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, follow me on Instagram, DM me proof that you did everything. I'll be picking your winner on May 11th. I love you guys. Good luck. Hyper Royals, brand new, size 8. Let me know what you guys think about the Air Jordan 3 down below in the comments. Cop, drop, are these fire? Are they trash? Let me know down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.